had the most marvelous surprise yesterday at the gallery where I was giving a little demo of one of the techniques. In walked someone and said, "Hi, Chris. I'm Carrie's Doma." And Carrie is one of my YouTube subscribers that drove all the way from Washington State down to Lompoc to see me and hang out. We had a wonderful dinner last night. It was my husband's birthday, and we just had a blast. And today we're painting together. So Carrie is my guest artist. And I'm just going to flip the camera so you can see Carrie. She can say hello. You see how pretty she is? Hi, Carrie. Hello. So we're going to be doing the chameleon technique today. Got her all set up here. Oh, it is ready. Okay, Carrie, it's all yours. There's gloves and paints. You're going to be using the Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paints, straight from the bottle. Do a flip cup, and then we'll use the toothpick and the hair serum for the cells. Serum. Coconut milk anti-breakage serum.
These were on sale too.
Yes, they were on sale.
I think I bought the last sets.
Oh, did you? Your Michaels
there's two left.
Yeah. If you want to try this, your Michaels might have a few of these on in their clearance section. $10.
For all of them.
Yes. All right. So, Carrie, you're going to fill up the cup for starters.
All right. Do I need to do this like this?
You could do that, and then they can see what order you're doing.
And then you tell me when to stop. Should I go down the edge or?
You can, sure.
Or do you know where they?
It doesn't really matter. We're doing a flip cup, so that's good. That's good. Such a powerful color.
I'm gonna do this red, and then I should go right down the middle, or
try it
to the side a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Like
Tilt
that.
it and.
Oh.
You know, I do it so automatically I don't even think of what I do, but.
Tell me when.
That's good. Okay. We can always come back and add more if need be.
Oh, that's right. You usually do a couple layers, don't you?
Yeah. For this 10 by 10 inch canvas, I think 7 ounces would be plenty.
You always make it look so effortless. Is that good?
That's good. You could take the lid off if you want to pour. Lily, I'll do that.
Might be easier.
I just thought of that.
Is that? Those are right next to each other. Should I?
Sure. Why don't you switch it
Do the
up?
white?
Yeah, why not? Good thinking.
They're kind of similar colors. Oh yeah, that's way easier. Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh.
Carrie's sweet little dog, Luca, is visiting too, and she looks so much like Kissy. I feel like Kissy is here with me. It's really nice.
That was kind of gloppy.
Yeah, good. Yeah, different colors are a little odd. Have you used these paints ever before?
Just the big bottles. I don't. Not the ready mix.
Yeah, they're different.
Or are they soft body?
Animal.
I think.
Yeah, I think you want more. So go ahead and. I mean, of all the colors, just go ahead and do a little more of everything, and you'll see how the copper just goes in. That's good. See, it just.
Oh. Yeah. Bye-bye. Oops. Oh, I didn't take the lid off of those. That's why. Are we getting close?
Yes, we are. I think just another bit of each one you have left should be plenty.
Ah. What did I do with that? Oh. Whoops.
Yeah, now those three.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. That purple's so close to that blue. My favorite color.
Purple?
No, the aqua.
Oh, yeah, that is really pretty. I love the aqua with this deep yellow. It's really pretty combo.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of makes a lovely green if it mixes. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay.
So now you're going to flip it. Flip it good.
Should we go like this?
Yep.
Oh, I don't know if I get...
There you go. pretty.
Yeah. You just let it sit there for a little bit.
Just
Everybody always taps it.
yeah, that helps.
I see some people poke it.
Yep. That's probably good enough. Now you can, release and move it around a little bit. You'll tilt to get. Ooh, look at that. Pretty.
Ooh, that's really pretty right there.
Yes. That's that aqua and the gold. It's going to be, it'll probably be lovely as you tilt it out, but it's not going to look at all like that when we're done.
A lot of bubbles. You got a torch?
I do. Where did I brought it yesterday. What did I do with that box? It might be in my car yet. I don't have one handy, but it's okay. That's okay. Or I could go get it while you can tilt around. Let me go get it. You tilt.
Okay.
And entertain them.
Oh, well, I don't know.
I'll be right back.
A lot of blue. I think she left.
Luca.
Shh. Shh. It's just Chris. Shh. 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 Hey, whisper. Whisper.
It's okay. It's okay. It's only me. I don't know where. But we can edit this out if we want.
Okay. I didn't say a word. I was very quiet because I didn't know what to say. So should I just keep
now
going?
Spread it around and get, you don't worry too much about the sides, but get it full coverage on top. I don't know what happened to my little box.
I like that little spot right there that just went away. Had the aqua in it. The tilting I'm still figuring out.
Yeah.
There's a lot of copper on that side. So now should I go over the edges at all, or?
Yeah, I would,
Oh, keep going to get the...
Yeah, the whole top cover. Don't worry about the sides, but
So get over the...
coverage, complete coverage on the top of the canvas. That's good.
See, that's so pretty right there.
It's
It's going to go away.
I know. It's a shame. Good,
There's little, like...
You're almost there.
Copper cells coming up on their own. Oh, I'm trying not to... Am I out of frame?
No, you're fine. You're fine. Oh, it's very pretty, as is. I love the translucency of these paints. They've got a strange odor, very distinct odor. It's not bad, but it's different.
Artist Loft. Odor.
Essence of Artist Loft.
Okay, so...
Okay, I think you're good.
Should I come back a little
Just
bit with
anywhere you want it, but again, it's gonna, the cells are gonna change the appearance completely.
All right.
We could take one of the toothpicks and pop some of those big bubbles if you want. I'll do it.
I was afraid I'd drip on it.
Yeah.
Of course, it probably didn't matter.
Probably not. They're so minute. I don't think it's going to be a problem.
Hey!
Is there somebody outside? Oh, well, he's just warning. Somebody did just deliver something
dog.
on a Sunday. I think we're good.
All right.
Yeah. All right, Carrie. Now.
So I'm going to take these off now. I can
Yes, you can take, because you're done touching that. Get you some fresh toothpicks.
Yeah, I didn't want to ruin this lovely manicure. Okay.
And now you're gonna dip. Yeah.
I need something on their other side. Well, I was thinking about. I know you talked about you were going to leave some negative space,
yeah.
and I thought maybe I'd do that, but I don't know where I'd.
This is pretty over here. You could start and then determine if you're going to or not. You know.
I need direction.
And you can do probably 4.
And how far out?
About just like that.
Or like that, and then wipe it off?
Yeah.
I like how you have your circles, and then you go out from there. So do you start it like this and then decide where you want your other one to start, kind of?
I think I did that. Yeah, I did. I was going back and forth between them. Yeah, there's a good spot. Oh, look at that copper. It's amazing.
Pretty. I hear John out there.
Yeah, he's got,
Is he on the phone?
I think it's a birthday call from a sibling.
Ah. Oh.
I hope he's on the phone, not talking to himself.
Okay,
Good,
now
good.
that, wow, look at those.
Yeah.
That one.
Pretty.
Now just keep going, huh?
Keep it going.
You're going to speed this up.
I'll speed this part of the video up, so take your time. It's
That's
really
bugging me.
okay. Then you want to fill it in so it's not drawing attention to it, or
Well, it's okay for my first attempt.
I think it's marvelous. Okay, we'll go back to. Okay. Well, I think it's just beautiful, Carrie. It's gorgeous. I love this, the copper and the red together. The blues, the whole thing. I like the blue background with the copper. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's fun. Fun, fun, fun.
Yes.
Be doing more of these back home.
Well, let's bring you in for a closer look, everybody. Look at those gorgeous cells. We left a little bit of negative space. Really looks dimensional over there. A little bit in the middle there. Many, many colors out of what we use, seven colors. Looks like a lot more. Well, my friends, that was really fun. Thank you, Carrie, for being my guest artist today in the studio.
Thanks for being my personal little teacher.
We've had so much fun. We're going to do some more. So thank you for watching, my friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye.